everyone, today we're doing a core and ab routine. So this routine is going to target both your deep core and your abdominals, and just going to strengthen and really feel the muscles working. And it's great for beginners, for intermediates, but also for people who are experiencing lower back tension and need to strengthen their core to get relief. We are gonna get started here on our back. So we are going to ease into this routine. So just take a deep breath in. We're gonna get started with some pelvic tilt. So I want you to bring that pelvis forward and back, just gently here. Like smooth motion here, forward and back. As you're bringing back, think about connecting with those pelvic floor muscles and your core. We're gonna transition into knee folds. So just bringing that knee up and down, up and down. Thinking about just breathing, keeping your back on the mat the whole time, and thinking about using your core muscles to lift that knee up. So nice and easy. All right, so keeping those knees bent here, we're going to gently slide the heel down with one side and back up, and then switch sides. So we're alternating, and again, keeping the back straight and on the mat, using the core muscles here for stability, and also to pull that knee back to starting position. From here, we are going to bring both of those knees up. Only if you can here, but this should be a gentle movement, so you can hold with your hands for support. So we are going to bring one leg down, tap, and then bring the other leg down and tap. And if you're not able to keep that leg up while the other one is down, you can definitely use your hands to help. And eventually you can do it without the hand support. So we're going to tap, bring it up and tap, and make sure here the lower back should be always on the mat. And again, if you're not able to do that, you can hold the other knee. You'll notice that it's a little bit easier using your hand. Use your core, tighten your core. And don't let that lower back arch. Quick break. Next exercise, we're going to reach with one hand towards the heel, up to starting position, and then we switch it sides, targeting more of the internal and external obliques. So whenever you're ready, back on the mat, deep breath in, reach to the side, center, side, and center. So you're just gonna slide to the side as opposed to crunching. I want you to think about just sliding side to side with a little pause in the center. You can place your hands behind your head if you're feeling any neck tension. You can slide. All right, so whenever you're ready, take a break. So from here, I want you to think about your pelvic girdle, the pelvic area here as a clock. So we're going to circle through the pelvis clockwise and then counterclockwise. Or you can think about it as forward, right side, back, left side. So it's like we're doing a circle, using those pelvic floor muscles. Forward, side, back, side. All right, we're gonna switch sides. Take a deep breath in. Nice big stretch here for the abdominals. Reach up, really lengthen your legs and reach up with your arms. Deep breath in and relax. Thank you for joining me today for this core and ab routine. I hope you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to grab the deep core mini training if you haven't already. It's going to help you build that core strength and relieve any tension or chronic lower back issues or sciatica you're experiencing. And I will see you guys in the next video.